This question belongs to Theory of Computation subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015. So the question states, consider the following statements. The complement of every Turing decidable language is Turing decidable. There exists some language which is in NP but not Turing decidable. If L is in a language in NP, then L is Turing decidable. Which of the following is are true? Only 2, only 3, only 1 and 2, and only 1 and 3. Let us see each of the options one by one. So first we have the complement of every Turing decidable language is Turing decidable. So when we say a language is decidable or a Turing decidable, which means there exists a solution to this in yes or no, which means either a string will be accepted or not accepted. Now, can we design a complement? So complement for this language, complement of L. Let us suppose L was decidable. Then complement of L, which is L dash. Can we say that a string will be accepted or not? Yes. Just reverse. For every yes, make it no, and for every no, make it yes. There are no changes that we need to do. For yes, we need to print no, and for no, we need to print yes. Because if a string is accepted in L, it would be rejected in L complement, and if it is rejected in L, it will be accepted in L complement. So yes, the complement of every Turing decidable language is Turing decidable. Let us see option 2. It says there exists some language which is in NP but not Turing decidable. Okay, what is a NP class problem? So NP class problem are those problems which can be solved in polynomial time, for which there exists a polynomial time solution, or can be accepted by solved by in polynomial time by a non-deterministic Turing machine. And what is this non-deterministic Turing machine? It is also an Turing machine. Okay, so thus this language is Turing decidable. So which means all NP languages are Turing decidable. So there exists some language in NP which is not Turing decidable. This is false. Let us see option 3. If L language is in NP, it is Turing decidable. We have already proved this. If L is in NP, it is Turing decidable. So this is also true. So answer is option 1 and 3 are only true. So option D is correct. Only 1 and 3.